It's called a Gansito. All right, and it's
What
like,
is that? Is that a chicken
yep,
on the front?
it is a chicken on the front, giving a fist pump, and
Unbelievable.
it's like a Swiss roll, but it's filled with cake, cream, and like strawberry filling. My God, Sam,
Dog is going great. Oh, baby.
individually
That's
wrapped.
customer service.
Wow,
Keep the freshness.
already at a 9 for just for being individually wrapped.
That looks awesome.
Oh my God, man.
Just the dough in that little brownie looks fucking amazing.
This is a 10 out of 10.